Okay, so you see this whole equation, and at first your brain might go, ah! But don't worry. Just break it apart piece by piece. Find the range, find the midline. You get that from this vertical stretch of 3. This is that shift up 1. So that's where the midline goes. And then you go plus and minus 3 from there. So the range is, all right, plus 1, plus 3. We're going all the way up to 4. Plus 1 minus the 3. I am going down to -2. That's my range. Find the range, find the midline, sketch that skeleton. I'm saying, okay, -2, that's the bottom. 1, that's the midline. Up another 3, that's the top, that's the 4. Do we see how from the midline we're up 3, down 3? Because that's that amplitude. That's right. Everything has to be consistent in mathematics. Oh! Okay, so what does the rest of this do? Whoop! Find the range, find the midline, sketch that skeleton, and then find period over 4, up, middle, down, middle, forevermore. That's how we find our tick marks to know when we're going up and down. But let's take this. The other part of the song goes, factor the input with me, the shift is the shift that you see. The shift is not pi over 2. If we factor the input, okay, so it was 2x minus pi over 2. That's 2 times x minus pi over 4. Aha. So factor the input with me, the shift is the shift that you see. Now I say that minus pi over 4 is right pi over 4. So I'm going to keep that and hold that to the end. This 2, what we say is, what impacts the period and frequency, the horizontal dilation 1 over b. So it's a dilation of a half. It's that shrink it in by a half. Okay, so if 2 pi is the original period of my sine, now I want to shrink it in by a half. So my period is just pi. That's the period. Okay, so we go period over 4, up, middle, down, middle, forevermore. Okay, that's the period. Pi over 4. So pi over 4 is going to be my up, middle, down, middle. So what would happen is sine starts at its midline. So it would be here, middle, up, middle, down, middle. That's where it would be, but I'm going to make that like this because we had the shift right pi over 4. So right pi over 4 means this point goes here, and now I'm going up, whoop, up, middle, down, middle. Okay, so now here's my curve. This must be down. There's my curve. We see it shifted right pi over 4. There we go. Woohoo!